This is Nonito Baluyot, and this is Jefferson Solis, the illusionist. Here we see the two of ace, the two ace, ace of diamond and ace of heart.
Stop. Please stop.
Stop! The illusionist says to the spectator stop. And the spectator says
I get
stop.
one card. And a bottom dick.
Yeah. Put it on the...
Ay, dick wala. Oh,
let me see it in the camera. Yeah.
Yes.
We see it? Yeah, we see that. Then put it on the middle.
Yeah.
You see it? It is on the middle. Yeah, it's in the middle. He flip the card and maybe shuffle it a little. Now he snap his finger. Oh! Oh!
Isa pa.
Well, another one.
One more.
See that?
It's, just a flower. Disappear.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Oh. Another magic, another tricks.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
No, father, it's called saber.
Please stop.
Stop. I get one card in the middle deck. Then
Show to the camera.
I show the camera.
Yeah.
Then my face, my pogi face.
Handsome face. Look, it's a 10 of diamond.
Simple.
Shuffle again.
Shuffle it. A little.
Then snap her finger.
And the 10 of diamond.
My card gone. My card's gone.
Tignan natin.
We will see it.
Do you see your card? No.
Malapit! Ika'y lumalayo!
It's gone.
Shit!
Yeah,
My
it's
card's gone.
Gone.
Search na to
Okay.
Mamula to rito.
Wait.
Look at the sky. Ayun ah.
Taran!
There's another card.
Oh!
There's a card.
The sky.
Oh!
What kind of illusion is this?
That's magic.
That's we call magic. Ya, dating ka na.